February 24, 2023, in Boynton Beach, Florida, a routine traffic stop escalated into multiple arrests. This case provides a critical study on the legal duty to identify, obstruction statutes, and constitutional rights.
It's on 15 court now. Final is on 15 court. Florida tag Papa Charlie Bravo November 6-2 PCB N62. Great Infinity.
Oh, 135194, 300 Northeast 15th Court. From the city show. 14.
Hey, what are you doing? Stay in the vehicle. You're being pulled over. It's a traffic stop.
You saying for what? I'm giving your answer. License, registration, insurance?
What you pull me over for?
License, provide me your license. Provide me your license and I'll tell you exactly why. Provide me your license, I'll tell you exactly why.
You have to tell me why you pull me over.
Provide me your license, I'll tell you exactly why.
What you pull me over for?
Provide me your driver's license
Tell me
and
why
I'll
you
tell
pull
you
me over and
exactly why.
I'll give you my license.
Provide me your driver's license. You're not doing that?
No.
You're not doing that?
You heard what I said. I'm not doing that.
Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Okay?
Tell me why you pull me over.
Identify yourself.
My name is Whitney Pandal. Tell me why
You
you
have
pull
a
me
driver's license, ma'am.
over. Tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Please tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Tell me why you pull me over.
License, ma'am. I'm gonna have to do.
That's
listen.
Do what you gotta do,
hold on.
cause tell me why you
That's
pull me
fine.
over.
Listen. Okay.
That's fine. She's home.
Do you?
Like,
what's
I'm
the
asking you one more
problem?
Do you,
time.
big boy?
Ma'am, do you have your
the
driver's
problem?
license?
Do you,
You
big
have
boy?
your driver's license?
Do you, big boy?
She's
Okay.
home. She has a driver's license.
Do you, big boy? Why you arresting me?
Because you're not identifying yourself.
My name's Whitney Pandal. Let me go.
Don't pull away from
You
me,
don't
okay?
have to touch her like
Ma'am,
that, sir.
back away.
Why do I have to back up?
Back away.
Why?
Because you directed my
Why?
attention, ma'am. Back away.
Why? I'm not
Back away.
touching
Fight
you.
real
I'm not
calm.
touching you.
You
And
don't
look
have
how you're
nothing-
touching
you don't have
her.
nothing serious to do. Let me go,
Yo,
bro.
relax.
Chill.
Relax.
Let me go.
Relax.
Let me
Relax.
go.
Relax.
Chill, chill,
Let me
chill,
go.
chill.
Relax.
Look what you're doing,
Ma'am,
sir.
relax.
Look what you're
Stop.
doing.
Stop.
That's what you get paid for?
Let me go.
Ma'am, I'm
That's what
telling
you
you,
get paid
stop.
for,
And I
sir?
said let me go.
Ma'am,
That's what you
stop.
get paid for, sir? What did she do?
Stop.
When you get pulled, the police tells you what you did. So what do you do? What do you do? What do you do?
Ooh.
What did she do?
Ooh.
What did she do?
You feel like you got power?
What did she
That,
do?
that stroke your ego.
Excuse me, sir. What did she do?
You want to send me more units, please?
What did
That's
she
okay, you know?
do? What did she do?
That
What did she
stroke your
do,
ego?
sir?
Unit 51.
That make you feel good,
300
Jenkins?
15th Court.
Cause she's home. What did she do, sir?
That make you feel good.
What did you do? What did she do, sir?
Fight real crime.
For her to get
Do
pulled.
something serious.
What did she do, sir? Oh my God!
Hey!
Don't you?
You're under arrest, too.
You just hit me.
You're under arrest, too.
You just hit me.
Let her
You're under arrest,
go!
too.
Dang.
Hey!
Why are you hitting me?
Hey!
Northeast 15th Court.
Hey!
Why are you hitting
You're under
me?
arrest, too.
For what? What am I under arrest
Obstruction.
for?
Obstruction.
Are you serious? He just arrested me for nothing.
He just hit her and dragged her and put her to the floor.
Let go of me, sir. Cause
Relax.
I have nothing to do, and you broke my nail.
Relax.
He's not answering nobody, and he just hit me.
Relax.
So you can hit people? You can hit people, sir?
You left you in uniform because I was spit right
You can hit people, sir?
Do what you must.
You can hit
Do what you
people,
must.
sir? You can hit people as a police officer for no reason because I wasn't even here. You can hit people.
Northeast
Let
15th
me
Court.
go.
15th Court.
Now tell me why you pulled me over.
Sir, he literally hit me, and I know you
Come
don't
on, man.
Come
Let's
on.
go.
And I wasn't even the person he pulled
Hey,
over, so he
10-15,
hit me.
two.
Why did you pull me
He hit
over?
me.
Let's go.
Why did you pull me over?
Let's go.
I'm gonna know that, right? So you still ain't telling me why you pulled me over. Let me go.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
What the f is your problem? You still can't tell me why you pulled me over. What? I make your dick hard or something? Let me go.
Hey,
You
can I put
can't
in your
tell me
car?
why he pulled me over.
Alright.
He can't tell me. You didn't even read me my Miranda rights. Got me? Oh, y'all getting rid of. Boynton PD. Don't touch me. I want a woman to touch me. Don't touch me. Goofy.
Listen, if I ask for your information, you provide me your information.
Okay, you didn't tell me why you pulled me over. If I asked you why you pulled me over, you tell me why you pulled me over. Did you read me my Miranda rights
I
before you
don't
put?
need
Yes, you. That's the law.
No.
What's wrong with you? It's okay though. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow. Chickens.
It's Jennings.
Don't give a f what it is. I don't want respect you. You ain't nobody to respect.
You ain't got to.
Okay, so why you talking to me?
You talking to me.
All right, cool. Why you pull me? Why you pull me over?
For a traffic violation.
What is it?
Stop sign.
Stop sign? Where's the stop sign? What stop sign did I miss?
Back there.
So why you didn't pull me back there?
Because I was catching up to you.
Okay.
2319.
Back up for a traffic stop.
Yeah.
That makes that card. That's what it does. Let me go, bro. Yeah,
How old are you?
I got old enough.
Okay, how old's that?
I'm 22. Get these cuffs off of me, bro. And he dragged my girlfriend. He put her on the floor. Cause that make his card. I just got off of work. Let me go,
Stop pulling
bro.
away.
Okay, she can search me. Let me go. What is his problem with me? Why does he have to touch me? Okay, but can you tell me why does he have to touch me if she's searching me?
You stop pulling away, then he'll pull you away.
Let me go.
Turn around.
Face
Fuck.
for me.
Thank you.
Lean against the car for me, alright? Do you have anything on me that's gonna stick me?
There's nothing on
No,
me.
you have nothing on you?
11, if you have any other comments, you can cancel.
Do better, bro. Go fight real crime.
Face the car for me.
521 copy.
Go fight real crime. Do better.
Yeah, man.
Do better. I can't believe you guys just stop me. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow.
Simple. 2220.
Got 8 fucking police officers at my house. Cause I put in at my house for a traffic stop. Then you wanna grab my girlfriend and bring her to the floor for a traffic stop? Be fucking for real. Do better.
11, you give that a 5.
Do better. Do better. All of y'all, do better. Go fight real crime.
Papa Charlie Bravo, November 62.
Don't have any of
And
that.
62.
None of that. I don't want to talk. I don't feel comfortable.
I didn't get any of her information yet. I didn't get
don't
none of the
feel
information.
comfortable around him.
You're under arrest for obstruction, okay?
Obstruction
Because
of
you were way
what?
too close to my traffic stop. You walked to my traffic stop.
I
told you to
was
back
far
up.
enough, sir,
The phone
where
was
you could
close
take
to
2
me.
steps away from me.
You shouldn't have been that close to me.
I was far enough for that. So that means
The woman's uncle arrives on scene and the officer tries to explain the situation.
You're doing a traffic stop. The young lady operating this motor vehicle ran a stop sign, okay? Doing a legal traffic stop. She just up the vehicle. She says, oh, why you stop me? Why you stop me? Why you stop me? I said, identification, license, registration, insurance. She did not want to provide license, registration. She said, tell me first. I said, hey, provide me your information. I'll tell you exactly why I stopped you.
That's her mom on the phone.
She refused to provide the information. Next time, this lady comes up within this close to me. I said, man, back up. You're redirecting my attention from this young lady right here. She continued, the one with the white tank top. She continued to stay there and record in this close proximity, okay? The first one got arrested, and she's being under arrest too.
For what?
Obstruction.
Obstruction. 12? You got a tail coming?
Yeah. I call for the tow. I got a 0 right here.
You got a
Just
tail
signal
on it?
14. For units responding to Arthur Court, males advising the female is breaking a windshield with an object.
Okay. It's probably that one. That thing's open.
I'm not really sure. I didn't pull up the thing yet.
Probably LCP9. 380. Probably what's in there.
break or a bad or Oh, it's being difficult, not responding.
I got her ID right here. Perfect.
Just grab that. Bring that with you.
Yeah. Me or competing? All right.
I'll let you talk to Dad in a few.
Florida Statute Section 322.15 mandates that drivers display their license upon the lawful demand of a police officer. While departmental policy often encourages officers to explain the reason for a stop, there is no statutory or constitutional requirement to do so prior to demanding identification. Therefore, refusing to provide a driver's license upon demand constitutes a primary criminal offense. The First Amendment by the 11th Circuit in Smith v. City of Cumming protects the public's right to record law enforcement. However, this constitutional right is strictly subject to reasonable time, place, and manner restrictions. Under Florida Statute Section 843-02, resisting an officer without violence, citizens cannot physically interfere with an active investigation. Breaching the officer's reactionary gap during a physical arrest transforms protected First Amendment activity into criminal obstruction.
Okay. Do you understand what happened?
would I be able to have another police officer here with me while you explain it to me?
You said what?
Would I be able to have another police officer?
No, I'm the arresting officer. I was there.
But no one else could be around?
Cause I got.
No, you can explain it to me, no problem.
So you want me to explain it?
Somebody else
You want me to explain it? Yes or no?
You can explain it, yes.
Okay.
But can somebody else come around because I don't feel safe?
Alright, that's fine. Well, I'm gonna listen. So, if an officer's on a traffic stop, the officer's doing an investigation, you can't walk up on the officer. If you want to record, it's fine.
Yeah.
You do that from a distance.
Yeah.
Not close proximity.
You remember when you went like that?
I'm sorry?
You remember when you went like that to me?
Like what?
You did this to me. Exactly like when you went like that.
Okay.
I was far enough for you to go like that.
No, you
So I'm
still
asking
can't be
how far can I be?
sidewalk.
Sidewalk?
Not within that close proximity.
Okay, did not know that.
Well, now you do.
Did you guys let us know that? Did you
sorry?
take me on the sidewalk?
Well, I told you to step back. You said, no, I can record. But listen,
But you didn't tell me to go to the sidewalk.
but listen, I got so much I'm dealing with. I did with her, and I'm dealing with you.
That's fine.
Simply, you can record, it's fine, but it has to be from a safe distance.
Okay, no problem. If I was told to go to the sidewalk, I would have went to the sidewalk.
Well, I had so much going on with her, with you.
So what happens if someone hitting you?
I'm sorry?
Will a police officer grab
Oh yeah.
you?
Yeah.
Officer can grab you for no reason?
I gave you a command to do it, a lawful command, and you refuse to comply with the lawful command. Therefore, I grabbed you. I grabbed you. I told you.
You didn't let me know to be on the sidewalk. You just told me to be back, and I was back.
No, you didn't. So
I'm
therefore,
back enough for you to go like this.
so therefore, since you were at that close proximity, right? I told you to step back, and you didn't. And you're obstructing, therefore you place in red. But listen, I'll let you talk to your dad in a few, okay? Because he said he would talk to you. Just check to make sure it's what that is. Okay.
I also wanted to say I apologize. I was just upset and mad.
It's alright. Just realize that things can go bad. Like I told your dad, I understand that you want to know what's going on. You don't know what the hell is going on. You see your friend, you see your police, so you don't know what's going on. You want to trying to find out what's going on. But like the other officer told you, that close, I don't know you. I don't know your intentions. I don't know what you're about. I don't know. All right, you see that your friend is going wild. I understand that you want to try to calm her down. You want to calm her down.
I'm her mother. What's going on?
Whose mother?
Whitney's
The
mother.
other person.
Oh, let me say hold on. So I understand that you want to calm her down and everything, but it's like I don't know who you are. I don't know what your kids are.
Can y'all tell me what's going on? My child never been arrested before in her life. Can
Okay,
you just tell me what's going on? I can't breathe
I
right
got
now.
you. You need medical assistance? Okay. So I did a traffic stop on her, right? Immediately as I stopped the car, you guys take care. Immediately as I stopped the car, she jumps out the car, right? And then she's like, "Why are you behind me for?" I'm like, "My lights are on. This is a traffic stop." Okay. I asked for her information. She said, "Tell me why you stopped me." I said, "Ma'am, give me your license first. Give me your information. I don't know who you are." She's not willing to give her information. The next, this is her girlfriend or friend. Her girlfriend or friend. Well, me and her still talking and everything. And then her girlfriend or friend pulls up, got the cameras out and everything. Due to her not providing me her name, due to me not know what's going on, I go to detain her while I went to detain her. She's like pulling away, doing this and that. The next, her friend is there. Her friend gets arrested too, and then
Tell me what mean why my babies got arrested. You not telling me.
I just told you.
No, for what? What is her charge?
Hold on. So I gave you the whole story, but you gonna know the charge is resisting arrest.
Okay. What does that mean for my child?
She'll be out soon.
Is she going to a gun club?
She went to a gun club.
Oh my God.
Ma'am.
Why you took it that far? I know you. You're like the nicest cop I ever knew.
Well, listen, and then once you watch the body worn camera footage, ma'am, then you can see exactly why.
Oh my God, I just don't get it. That she could have went so much better than what it was. She was already somewhere.
Well, listen, so
she was already somewhere.
No,
she was in front of her people's house.
Exactly. The car just stopped there, but I already initiated a traffic stop.
I get it, but what I'm saying, like, you could have just killed it right there.
No, but then it's how she made it. She was like,
she said she didn't have a reason to be pulled over.
No,
what was the reason?
Exactly,
what was the
exactly.
Stop?
She did not know that, and I was prepared to tell her.
What was the traffic stop?
Stop sign. That's it. Exactly.
It's just home, bro.
No, but she was driving. She was driving. It wasn't like I just randomly pulled up behind her. She was driving.
She said a stop sign.
At the Supreme Supreme Court precedents established in Miranda v. Arizona's 1966 is frequently misunderstood by the general public. Constitutionally, police are not required to read Miranda rights at the exact moment of an arrest. These warnings are only mandated prior to a custodial interrogation. Legal lessons. Successfully exercising constitutional rights demands accurate legal knowledge. Unlawful noncompliance based on legal misconceptions frequently converts minor civil infractions into actionable criminal charges.